Right, have a go at that then, working on that right elbow. Shot. So Strongy, make sure we got that wide stance, yeah? Weight on that front foot, slight bend of those knees, hold that head still. Just yellow. Okay. Great shape. Runs. Keep that head up, don't fall over it, yeah? I want your head over that front foot, Strongy. Get your head over that front foot. Well, it swung, didn't it? Working with those feet. Good. Keep working. Lovely shape. Oh, sorry, mate. Wrong colour. Good. All right, well watched. You'd be gutted if you hit that at mid-wicket, wouldn't you? Keep that shape. Show me your figure 9. Yeah. Don't want to see those hands break. Keep that shape. Weight on that front foot. Just head went across it, Matty. Wait for the ball. A bit straighter, Strongy. Not trying to hit it too square. Good leave. Good lead. Does it feel any different with trying to get your elbow down the back of the bat, Matty? You're not, yeah. Still. Lean into it, upright, weren't you? Too upright, get a lean in, head, left shoulder, dip, dip. Try and really dip towards that ball. Good. Good, but you kept your shape. You didn't break your wrists and flick it. Okay, you kept your shape. Lovely balance. Right, good. That's all the yellows, mate.